Are the banks open on July 3rd, 2023? This is an important question to ask, especially when it comes to making sure you have access to your funds. The answer is a resounding yes. Banks will be open on July 3rd, 2023. You can expect your typical banking hours to remain the same as usual. This means you can visit the bank to withdraw, deposit, or transfer money and receive other services. Banks offer a wide variety of services, so it's important that you confirm your institution's hours before July 3rd. If you need to make an important transaction or access funds, make sure you plan ahead and visit the bank when it is open. In most cases, banking hours remain consistent throughout the week. During regular banking hours, tellers, loan officers, and other staff members are available to assist you. However, some banks are open on limited hours, so it's always best to call ahead and confirm. July 3rd, 2023 will be no different, so if possible, contact your bank to make sure you have the right hours. Banks also offer online services, allowing customers to access their accounts via mobile devices and computers. This means you don't have to physically visit the bank to perform transactions, complete transfers, and pay bills. Banking online is becoming increasingly popular, and more banks are providing this service. You can also schedule an appointment with your bank if you need to discuss investments, loans, and much more. It's important to get all of the necessary information before July 3rd, so you can plan ahead and visit the bank on the right day. Banks offer valuable services, so it's important that you're aware of how and when they are open. Banks may also have additional services on July 3rd, so you may want to check with your bank for more information. Knowing when banks are open in advance is always helpful, so be sure to ask in advance. There's no need to panic if you need to access your funds on July 3rd since most banks are open that day. Knowing that banks are open on this day can save you time and allow you to obtain the services you need. It's also important to note that banking hours may vary depending on the institution and the day of the week. Some banks are even open for extended hours on weekends or for certain dates. It's a good idea to ask your bank ahead of time so you can be aware of their hours on July 3rd, 2023. Banks offer several services for customers, including withdrawals, deposits, transfers, investments, and much more. Knowing the hours of your bank will ensure that you have access to the services you need on July 3rd.